Ndewo, I'm Yvonne from Learn Igbo Now, and this is Igbo Soundbite, a short audio that tackles a specific aspect of Igbo language or culture. The soundbite for today is about the different names for orange in Igbo land. In Igbo Izugbe, which is Central Written Igbo or Formal Igbo, orange is called Oroma. That is what you will most likely see in Igbo textbooks, songs, or in maybe news broadcasts. There are also other variations or dialects of orange that you might hear, depending on the person you speak to or the part of Igbo land you might find yourself in. So the other names for orange are, or the different names you can find for orange are Oroma, Oloma, Olome, and Epe. Oloma and Oroma is common around the Anambra axis, around maybe Onitsha, Oka, Newi, all those places. And Olome and Oloma is common around the Enugu and Ebonyi axis, like Abakaliki, Nsukka, Enugu, Nkano. Epe is common around the Imo and Abia axis, like Owerri and Umuahia and Aba. So incidentally, my mother is from Mbise in Imo State, my father is from Ezago in Enugu State, and my husband is from Nnewi in Anambra State. So I'm quite used to hearing the different dialectical variations of orange. So what is orange called in your part of Igbo land? Do let us know in the comment section below so that we can all learn. This brings us to the end of today's Igbo Soundbite. Let me know what you think of today's topic in the comment section below. And like this video if you like this Igbo Soundbite. Komesia, see you later.